So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can permanently delete your Discord account. But before telling this, I'm going to warn you that if you permanently disable your account, you won't be able to get it back. If you want a temporary break you can either disable your account as well. But if you permanently disabled, or you can say delete your account, you won't be able to access it back again. But many people have different reason for deactivating an account. So to do this process, you can use either smartphone application of Discord, either it could be iOS or Android, or you can do the same process on PC as well. For example, if I open the Discord software on my Windows PC, now when you open this is the home page. You all have been familiar with this. Now you have to go to the option of settings. You're going to find the option of settings on the left bottom corner. The icon of settings is just right there. Just simply click there, which says user settings. Now you are in the settings of the Discord. Here you don't need to surf anywhere, just simply you are by defaultly on the my account section. Here you need to scroll down till the last until you find an option of account removal. You can say this, which says disabling your account means you can recover it anytime. But if you hit that delete account button, you won't be able to regain your access to your account, and your account is permanently deleted. So all you have to do is to just simply hit this button to permanently delete your account. It will be asking for a password for the confirmation or a verification code sent to your IDs, and if you enter that once, your account has been permanently deleted and it won't be recovered again. So by this method you can easily remove or permanently delete your Discord account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.